Hello, it's Thursday, June the 2nd, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar was mixed against the other major currencies as reports showed slower than forecast jobs growth. ADP unemployment came out at 38,000 versus 177,000 forecast, and the ISM manufacturing data showed reduced orders, adding to concern that the US economy is slowing. Nasdaq and Dow Jones fell by 2.33% and 2.22% respectively. Crude oil decreased by 2.4% to close at $100.29 a barrel. Gold advanced by 0.4% to close at $1,543.20 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected at 420,000 versus 424,000 last week, and revised non-farm productivity is expected to rise from 1.6% to 1.8%. The euro weakened against most of the major currencies as uncertainty over Greece reduced the appeal of assets denominated in the single European currency. The euro dollar is struggling at 1.4350 levels. If the pair breaks below this, probably the euro will decline towards 142.30 or even less. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 143.07 and a high of 144.58. Today, ECB President Trichet speaks. The pound fell against the dollar after manufacturing index data fell to a 20-month low, 52.1 versus 54.2 forecast, and UK mortgage approvals also dropped, leading traders to prefer other assets. As long as the pound dollar is trading below 164.30, the pound's momentum is very bearish and a short position is preferred. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 163.25 and a high of 164.96. Today, construction PMI is expected at 53.50 versus 53.30 prior. The yen gained against most of the major currencies as weaker data from the US and the situation in Greece boosted demand for the yen as a refuge. The dollar-yen's momentum is bearish as long as the pair's trading below 81.50. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.67 and a high of 81.50. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar decreased versus the dollar as weak US data and a weaker oil price caused investors to sell higher-yielding assets. As long as the pair's trading above 0.9720 and above the 20-day moving average, the US dollar's momentum is more attractive. Next resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 0.9820. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9667 and a high of 0.9781. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.